from the Yarn Store. Today is day 2 of my Wicked Witch Damsel series week by Dreamer Designs and Curtis Rajkovic. So yesterday was Blanca. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. I will link it up in the eye. And today we have Salem. So if you aren't familiar with Curtis Rajkovic, he does these really cool like spooky girls, and I like all the witch ones. And they have these cool pumpkin purses and they're familiars. I like witches from New England, where the Salem witch trials took place. So if you've never seen a Dreamer's Designs unboxing before, here's the box. It is a square kit. They have a QR code for a discount and a handle in case you want to carry it with you places, I guess. So let's open her up. Inside you get this branded dust bag. Inside the dust bag you will get your toolkit in this velvet pouch. This will probably be the only video where I show the toolkit because this is the only one I have in the box. The other ones I got off D-Stash. So you get your boat, your wax, your tweezers, your pens, a straightener, and a multi-placer. And pretty much your standard toolkit. Here is your canvas. It's very soft. And it comes with this cute little purple bow that keeps it all wrapped up. Dreamer Designs does use poured glue. So I'm gonna roll this backwards. Since it is poured glue, you can do that. It won't cause any problems to do that. Okay. Alright, and there she is. This is Salem. Look at the little candy corn in her hair. Isn't he just adorable? And then she's got her kitty cat who's reading her spell book with her. And of course, the pumpkin purse and her belt with the moon. You got your legends on the right and left side. And Salem up here with the licensing. It looks like she has 66 colors with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ABs. It comes with your sticker sheet with your pre-cut sticker labels. And some fun other stickers you can stick places. Here's your purple instruction sheet. Put that away. And here's your drills. And this is, sorry, this is a round kit, not a square kit. My apologies. Here you got two ABs. So 04, this pretty red. 03, this baby pink. And we got 902, 919, 920, 921, 938, 939, 939, 939, 939, 976. So I like how Dreamer Designs like uses all the colors in the same family, like how we go from 938 and then 939, so they blend the colors. This is more like a dark gray than a black. I think that's a majority of the background is that color. And you got 310, which is your black. You got 3 bags of that. 315, 316, 317, 318, 327, 333, 341. And some more ABs. You got 7, which is a yellow, 8 of white, 34, this lilac color, and 44, this butter yellow. $741, $762, $778, $779, $791, $792, $819, $823, $154, $155, $167, $209, $300, $301, $307, more, 3 more bags of 3 things. $3,834, $3,835, $3,836, $3,853, $3,854, $3,855, $3,857, $3,860, $3,861, and another AB1. $740, $720, $550, $453, $452, $445, $415, $414, $400, $350, and here's our last strip. 3045, 3046, 3371, 3726, 3727, 3771, 3778, 3799, 3802, 3826. And there's all the round girls. So let's take a look where the ABs go. So there's so many that I might not be able to show you all of them, but we got a red, let's see, an O. So like her cheek highlight is the O, the candy corn is the O. The yellow in her eyes is an AB. Down here in her book, down here in her pumpkin, right here on the bow in the pumpkin. Some of the symbols on here are blurry and some of them are not. So, I mean, I guess that's something they still need to work on. I heard that they got better, but, like, there's definitely some that are blurry. I'm not seeing where the other ABs are. Right here in her lips are the red one. And then it's saying the letter Z. But I don't see a Z anywhere. Oh, right here on the top of the cat's ear. There's a couple. And then an arrow pointing down right here in the kitty's eyes are those. So yeah, that's Salem. So this is day 2 of Wicked Witch Damsels, and Salem is day 2. Only 7 more subscribers I can give away 2 paint jam kits to 2 lucky subscribers who comment to enter. So don't forget to subscribe and comment, and you can get a free kit as appreciation for watching. As always, thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3.